video here. These are Daisy's puppies. And sit down on a blanket. I'll probably regret it because it's dirty and it's probably got poop on it.
Oop, there's an eyeball. There's an eyeball peeked open today.
And I took Divas to the barn. Nobody's eyes was open, and that day they all opened. This is a big boy. You've got potty on you. Now their eyes crack open. They can poop on their own. You don't have to make them poop anymore. They're wet from being sprayed from sucking on one another, and they're fixing to go in their puppy prisons. I have one right here. As you can see, we'll line that sucker with newspaper and shred and stick them in there. There's Bobby Sue.
See Bobby. See my Bobby.